Hello, good evening, afternoon, morning. It's Tourtiere time. Tourtiere, which is a Canadian meat pie, mostly pork and beef or veal with a few spices and stuff. I got a little bit of bread just because I had bread left with butter, citrus carbonated beverage, an oversized utensil, and we put ketchup on the thing. That's what we do. First bite though is gonna be like just regular stuff. It's a nice, nice. Nice and flavorful. A little bit hot. Just a little bit hot. Get in there. Pretty nice. This is a local brand, local grocery style brand. Don't explode. Not bad. Not bad. Put some on the crust here. So I've had this a few times on the channel. Ooh. A little bit of bread and butter. Yeah. So yeah, I had this a few times. You can eat this whenever, but it's mostly not only a winter meal, but a holiday. During the Christmas season, a lot of people get a tourtière going. A pretty big pie, don't go there. Pretty big. A nice meal. And I somehow needed extra carbs in there. It is bread. Nice crunchy baguette with butter. Alright. We ketchup it up. A big bite. Get in there. Dip some crust in there. It's like a pie crust, right? Alright, you get the big slice. Pretty hot in the middle, but very delicious middle bite. It's the middle, you know, more filling, more meat, more stuff. More ketchup. I was checking the calories of this and I'm like, oh, it's gonna be more than 1600 calories. But I do realize now I'm adding a bunch of ketchup. I knew I was gonna add ketchup, but somehow it still slipped my mind. Dip a little more. Ooh. Also, this is quite nice. It's like a can, and it's called the Tequila Sunrise. Citrus flavor. Pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. Another sexy bite. Oof, look at that. Right there. Very nice. Bam. One tablespoon, 15 calories, so it's like that, 15, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, a little bit there, almost like 200 calories worth of ketchup. Is that if that's 40? Or at least 160 calories of ketchup. plus a little bit. It's a calorie meal. Thankfully, this is 0 calories because. We're at a good 2,000, 2,100. So gotta stay active if you're eating this. Ooh. You know what? I missed this. I did a small one. No, I didn't. I did a pie video. It wasn't this though. It was like small chicken pie and a beef pie. And we didn't have this at Christmas. We usually do. So it's been months and months. Not quite true. I had like a vegan version, but it's a vegan version, which is fine, but you gotta know. Boom, boom, boom. Get in there. I'll take this one. We gotta end it like this, the middle, a little bit of extra. That is right. That is good. That is good. So yeah, feels good to eat one after a real one after so many months. I don't eat it often, and I don't crave it often. I couldn't eat this every week even. You know, some things you can eat every day. It's got to be spaced out, but when you have one, there you go. Hope you enjoyed. More food to come tomorrow and then the day after. Of course. So stay tuned for that. Have a nice day.